What you doing? I thought you were wearing the purse. You taking us shopping? You going back to where you emptied it out? Oh, put your sunglasses in the purse. So you ready to go? Put on your glasses. Let's see. Love bug, where you going? Your purse is over here. You forgot your purse. Get your purse. Let's get ready to go. There it is. Oh, she's got it on. Here. Oh, boonk. You want me to help you? And get your glasses on first. Here, this goes right over your ears. There. Got your glasses on. Abe, you forgot your purse again. Put your purse on. Oh, you want Daddy to carry it? Daddy's taking a shower. We can give it to Daddy to hold. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the video. Say bye-bye. No? Okay.